instant smoke shot. As soon as I applied any power, it just went up in smoke, guys. Not even close. All right, guys, so I'm finally to the point where these tires are so wore out that they need to be replaced. I really can't just keep driving them the way they are. If it happens to start raining, you know, then I'm gonna have a lot of problems with traction, and I don't want to be losing control of my car because I have bad tires. So right now we're gonna head to the tire shop and we're gonna get some tires installed in this car, and then we'll try some 0 to 60s. Hopefully with these new tires I can at least get what I got before. The best I ever got was a 4.1, and I'll be glad to try it again with some new tires, guys. So we'll see how it goes. Everybody, we're at the tire shop. Finally gonna get some new tires put in this car. You know, these P0s were wore out. I got some good 0 to 60 times, but it's time now. Finally gonna get some new tires, and I can't wait. Finally, Carol's Tire Warehouse. All right, guys, so I just got those tires installed. Let's see if I can get a quick pull 0 to 60 right now. I have the camera pointing at me, but I'll put the camera right on the gauge right now. I just want to do a quick 0 to 60 and see how we do. All right, guys, let's do a quick 0 to 60. I think we're good right there. Timer. That was a 4.7. Not that good. It was kind of funny. The guys that were at the golf course were like, light him up. Yeah, it wasn't that great either. No, that was actually pretty funny. 4.7 isn't that too good. I've heard that you got to break in tires, and this kind of happened with the last time I had those brand new tires anyway. They weren't really gripping too well. I think I had to put some miles into them. So we'll try one more time. I'm not surprised if we get anything not so great, but we'll give it a shot. I remember last time I had the brand new P0s in the back. They were really slippery, and they were slippery for quite some time until they actually wore down a little bit, and I actually had some good grip after that. Damn, this car's all over the place. I can't really do anything right now. Oh man, guys, these tires are not hooking up right now. All right, that was a 4.6. It's a little bit better. The tires are starting to get some grip on them. That is nothing impressive right there. Wow, this is actually really bad. Alright guys, so we're gonna give it one more shot, and this is it. If these tires aren't hooking up, I can't really do much about it. They're brand new tires, so I wasn't expecting record times, I could tell you that. Here we go. Well guys, I managed to get a 4.5 on that one. I was spinning a lot. The car's starting to get hot, but well, I know the tires gonna get better with time. It's just a matter of time, guys. All right, let's check. How are we doing with air pressure? Okay, we got 40 up front, 31 in the back. So my last was 4.5 seconds. Well, 4.5 isn't really that great, guys, but I know it's brand new tires, so we'll give it one more shot. I didn't notice. Well guys, I got a 4.4 on that one. I guess I was just being too light on the throttle, because it was losing traction, but you know, okay. That really isn't that bad. 4.4. Alright, then we'll get one more shot then. I know what I gotta do. It's okay if the tires spin a little bit, but if you're spinning, you ain't going anywhere. But alright. The tires actually feel like they're getting more grip now. Alright, here we go. This really is nerve-wracking, guys, you know, because I know what this car can do. But this is it. After this, that's it. We're going straight home. Hey, got a 4.3 on that one. 8.1 ET. Alright, it's getting better. It's getting better. I don't know, guys. Put down in the comments if I should do it one more time. I actually managed to get that 4.3. I was actually surprised on that, because it felt like it was spinning quite a bit, but I guess the more the tires are getting used, the more grip they're starting to have. So, you know what the heck, let's do it one more time. Alright guys, here we go. Final run, and then we will finish this video at home. That was a 12.4 at 111. I'm actually kind of surprised at 111. That could be telling me that the car is getting pretty hot already, because normally I do like a 114. But 4.3 isn't really that bad. It's actually pretty good, guys. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm getting a lot of attention to myself, so that's it for today. All right, where do you guys go? All right, so we got a 4.3. After a few passes with the car, you know, getting those tires broken in, you dropped everything down to a 4.3. That's not that bad. But these are the tires we got. Just wanted to show you guys. You got the Pirelli P0s, 275s up front, 275s in the back. All right, guys, so these Pirelli P0s, they were a really good price. That's why I ended up getting them and not the all seasons. But still managed to get a 4.3, you know, on the 0 to 60 runs. The first few were 4.7. Little by little it was dropping, so the tires are broken in and finally in the back. The front ones, now they're still brand new. All right, guys, so little by little we're making this car faster, and on to the next project. I'm not going to reveal too much about what I'm going to do to this car, but stay tuned. You guys will not be disappointed. Until next time, later.